In today's show, 2 years to the upside, Bitcoin yearly candles hint explosive price growth incoming. We'll be taking a look at this chart on Twitter, which shares the Bitcoin yearly candles. As you can see from 2012 and onwards, since the time of the first halving, we'll be taking a look and dissecting how it has affected the Bitcoin price so we can project what may occur this time around for the third halving. In today's show, we'll also be taking a look at what the infamous PlanB has to share regarding the stock to flow model, with the Bitcoin having just 5 months out to go. We'll also be taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, doing a Bitcoin price action, all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And to help celebrate the launch of our podcast, our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world, is giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free. For full details, click that link right below the video in the description. And a quick reminder, this December 11th, hedge fund marketing wizard Larry Benedict is hosting a live event. He's going to be sharing the secret he's used to generate $274 million in profit. For full details and to register for this event, click the link right below the video in the description. Welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right in, shall we? The Bitcoin prices might be a long way off their 2019 high of almost 14,000, but this year has still seen Bitcoin gain in price. In fact, it's up nearly 94% still. The year opened with the leading digital asset trading just below $3,800, considerably less than its current price of around $7,300. Although the yearly price data is clearly limited, if previous years are anything to go by, Bitcoin looks to set up post 2 more years of gains. There seems a pattern emerging that sees a year of decline follow 3 years of upside. So will the Bitcoin price continue to follow emergent yearly pattern? Despite the admittedly meager sample size, Bitcoin has only been around for a decade. After all, the price of the leading crypto by market cap looks poised to post 2 more years of upside. Bitcoin price, when viewed as a yearly candlestick chart, appears to be repeating a pattern of 3 years of upside, followed by a year of losses. Given that Bitcoin is such a young asset, there have only been 2 of these 4-year cycles to observe so far. That said, the first candle of the third looks to be falling in with the pattern, with just over 4 weeks left in the year. Providing the price stays above $3,800, the pattern will remain intact. And taking a look at this tweet from Bitcoin Charts at Charts BTC on Twitter, Bitcoin yearly candles plus. Let's take a look at this graph. As you can see, at the time of the first halving, we saw Bitcoin go from roughly $10 to $1,100. And then for the next halving, we saw Bitcoin rise substantially once again, this time in 2016 when it started, and then it reached this height in 2017, rising to almost $20,000. And then we've depleted all the way down to roughly $3,100. And now it's the time of the third halving in mid-2020, May to be exact. Where we're expected to go, nobody knows. But if history proves us correct, we're going to see another parabola occur in the crypto market. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. Craig Aaron responded to this tweet. Market cycles are taking longer from all-time low to all-time high, and from halving to all-time high. I'm expecting the next all-time high in Q4 of 2022. Happy to accommodate Q4 2021 though, and he went ahead and shared this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below this video in the description for you to check it out. Bitcoin Charts responded, so a short bear market before the 2024 halving. I like it. And checking out a few more replies, Chad responded, if we don't get 2 more green ones, I quit. Realizes that actually 24 months of price action. Okay, I'll just be right here awaiting. And then Irwan responded, these red and green candles look especially charming as Christmas approaches. Touche. Stellar Network News responded, that is not a bullish candle. It's retesting the trend line. It just broke a 10-year trend line, and went on to share this graph, as you can see right here in the screen. Along with the general pattern of the 3 up, 1 down, there's another interesting potentially emergent trend. The last candle of the back-to-back price increases is typically much larger than the 2 prior. If the pattern holds true, it looks like 2021 will see explosive growth for the digital asset. The oversized candlesticks every 4 years are likely partly the result of the halving event programmed into Bitcoin's code. Every 4 years, the supply of new coins gifted to miners for adding a block of transactions to the blockchain decreases by half. This essentially increases Bitcoin's stock-to-flow ratio, which is a measure of scarcity we're going to talk about here shortly. And any uptick in demand has much more magnified impact on prices than a similar increase would have done prior to the halving. The next halving event is expected to occur during May of 2020. This will see the number of new Bitcoin added to the total circulating supply every 10 minutes fall to 6.125. Some traders and market analysts believe that the next halving will result in another parabolic run-up in Bitcoin prices like those seen in 2017 and 2013. PlanB argues that the reduction of the new Bitcoin regularly hitting the market will eventually see the price rise to around $55,000 per Bitcoin. Hallelujah, right? The analyst makes no prediction as to when this will occur. However, given that the stock-to-flow theory of Bitcoin's value centers around the halving events every 4 years, if Plan B's predictions come true, we'll see a $55,000 Bitcoin at some point within the 4 years following May of 2020. All I know is this: when Bitcoin reaches $50,000, I'm going to be like,
crypto gang, it's the game, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters want to say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew them up like bubble gum. No.
Plan B shared this tweet: Bitcoin halving, 5 months to go. Rocket ship straight to the moon. For miners, production cost of 1 Bitcoin will double. For investors, stock to flow, unforgeable scarcity, inability to inflate stock will double. And he shared this graph along to go with it, which I'll include in the show notes below this video in the description. The stock to flow model shows Bitcoin surpassing 50,000, then even $100,000 per Bitcoin. And taking a look at some of the replies to this tweet, Candela responded, leading up to the halving, Bitmain will flood the market with cheap ASICs and once again crash price and break the competition. Then the block reward will decrease and old machines will be phased out, but different will stay flat due to new equipment being turned on by the dip. That's an interesting prediction. What are your thoughts? And checking out another tweet, Fathead responded, my opinion, the production cost of Bitcoin mining, along with lack of buyer interest, will cause a ripple effect of miner death spiral, along with price death spiral, and the late Tyler Jenks will finally get his sub $1,000 Bitcoin. I don't know about all that. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. Crypto Vogue responded, 18 million coins mined, 3 million left to mine, the next 2 million to be mined in 6 years, the last million to be mined in another 100 years, awareness at the highest level ever, some scarcity about to hit the shelves, and you think it's going to go sub 1,000? You must be Tone's cousin. Shaking my head. That's actually hilarious, because we also need to consider that 7 million Bitcoin approximately have already been lost forever. We also need to take into account that Coinbase is holding about 1 million Bitcoin. That leaves the total supply in the market at roughly 13 million. Fathead responded, blah, 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 scarcity, this, scarcity, that. I can take a dump and it'll be scarce. Doesn't mean anyone wants it. Crypto Corda responded, it is genuinely funny how some people think that these two events do not matter or that they're priced in. Since our childhood, we've never understood what true scarcity is. Everything from fiat to metals have inflated in amount. Bitcoin will teach us a valuable lesson. Touche. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, we can see there is a bearish sentiment currently in the market. Bitcoin barely down 0.01%, trading just above $7,300. Ethereum is down 0.58%, trading at $149. EOS down 1.7%, trading at $2.67. XRP is down 0.69%, now trading below 22 cents. Miss Litecoin down 3.87%, trading at $45.75. Link is back in the green, one of the few who are actually back there, trading at $2.16, up 2.2%. 2%. Maker is up 6%, trading at $566. Bitcoin Cash is down 0.5%, trading at $212. And BNB Coin is down 0.3%, trading at $15.44. And taking a look at the total crypto market cap, it's currently $198 billion with $54 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current Bitcoin dominance is 66.6%. Up 0.1% in the past 24 hours. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, Raven Coin is leading the pack, up 19%, trading at 2.6 cents. Synthetics Network up 19%, trading at $1.36. IOST up 12%, trading at 0.006. Matic Network is up 11%, trading at 2.8 cents. Mindall up 10%, trading at $2.63. And Maker up a whopping 6.8%, trading at $558. Now for the biggest losers in the past 24 hours, DX Chain token down 14%, trading at 0.0008. Silverway down 10%, trading at 37 cents. iExec RLC down 7%, trading at 54 cents. VeChain, one of the Chinese cryptos, down 7%, trading at 0.007. Nexo down 6%, trading at 9 cents. And Steam down 4.8%, trading at 12 cents. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are actually back in control, but barely leading the way with about 11 million in superiority in the past 24 hours, with longs 50.45% versus 49.55% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, right now we're rated a 28, which is fear. Yesterday was also a 28 in fear. Last week rated a 20 with extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, wink, wink. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me through this crypto matrix. If you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before I go, quick reminder, this December 11th, hedge fund market wizard Larry Benedict is hosting his live event. He's going to be sharing a secret he has used to generate $274 million in pure profit. To register, click the link right below the video in the description. It's going to take you to this page. Simply enter your best email address and click the yellow button which says register for free access. And I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.